Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to forward voice messages on Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram app and open the message that you want to forward. For example, I want to forward this voice message. If I long press this message, you can see there is no direct option to forward that message, but I have a workaround to forward that message. All you have to do is pull down your notifications and go to screen recorder. From here, all you have to do is select entire screen. And from here you have to select record device audio, turn it on and start recording. Once the recording has been started, you have to play that message, and after that you have to stop your screen recording. Once the screen recording has been saved on your computer, you can forward that screen recording to any of your friends, and that's how to forward voice messages on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.